Building a structured learning experience in your app? Let's add Course Builder. Open Add Features from the editor. Search Course Builder, then click Add to bring it in. Course Builder is now part of your app. Think of it as a wrapper. It doesn't create content on its own. Instead, it pulls from features you've already built and stitches them into a guided course your learners work through step by step. Take a look at your pages list. Quiz for assessments, video streaming for lessons, code page for embeds, flashcard for review, forum for discussion, form builder for input, and editor page for freeform content. Add what you're missing through Add Features, the same way you just added Course Builder. Hit Manage Course to open the admin panel. This is your Course Builder admin. Everything you need to build and run your courses live here. Start with Manage Attribute. Subjects and content types you add here become drop-down options when you map items into a course. Set them up first. Language Settings holds every label the Course Builder shows in your app. Modify them to match your tone or translate them for a different audience. Now head back to Course Builders and click Create Course. A modal opens with the essentials every course needs. Title: what learners see first in the app. Author: the name learners will see credited. Description: a quick pitch of what this course covers. Two or three lines is plenty. Learners scan, they don't read essays. And a cover image to make it pop in the app. Hit Save. Your new course slides into the Course Builders list, active by default. Click in to start mapping content. Inside the course, the Content Source sidebar on the left lists every supported feature you've already added to your app. Drag them into the curriculum on the right, and your course takes shape. That's Course Builder. Stay tuned. Content mapping and user groups come next.